Okay, you can see that I'm getting 9.5 VC AC volts out of my GFI, and the sockets that are associated with that GFI are still getting 9.5 volts. So I guess that's what happens when a GFI goes bad. So let's see if we can fix it. I got a new one over here and I'm going to install that. And it's pretty simple wiring, so I probably won't go for that, but we'll show the results. Okay, I took the panels off, and I also turned off the power to both breakers. There's two breakers in here. The left one's on its own, and the right one is the actual garbage disposal, so you gotta turn both of them off. Okay, I got the wires off. I'm just gonna put them on the same way they were put on. Alright, it's all installed, and my meter's saying 120. Now make sure you check the other outlets that are connected to it just in case, but it should be fine.